Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again for another video. Today's video is going to be a first impressions about a Belle Bar organic product. Now if you're not familiar with Belle Bar, they're this really great organic company that specializes in natural organic ingredients for a lot of beauty items, particularly hair masks and face masks. So I've done a few reviews on my channel already, if you're all familiar with my channel, and I've had pretty favorable reviews. So I decided to go back into a little inventory and purchase yet another product. This time I decided to venture off into their face masks. So the mask that I purchased is the Serengeti Papaya Ultra Illumination face mask for glowing skin. So as I'm filming this introduction, I've already tested out the product. I've already filmed my first impressions. So following this introduction, you'll actually see me assemble this mask together, apply it, and give you my honest opinion and feedback on how I felt this mask worked for me. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for taking the time to stop by my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. All right, take care and have a great day. Hi everyone. So I'm just gonna demo for the first time how I'm gonna use this mask, because this video is first impressions. So I have already pre-mixed the mask. I used a little bit of aloe vera juice and a little bit of distilled water. So the instructions on the back for this mask from Belle Bar, it says at least a teaspoon. So I put a little bit over a teaspoon of the mixture itself. And again, I've mixed it with a little bit of water and a little bit of aloe vera juice. And I've kind of pre-mixed it already, so I'll try to see if I can give you a peek. So that's kind of what the mixture looks like. So it's a little bit runny, because I didn't want it too thick to the point that it would be hard to spread on my face, but I also don't like it too runny, because as you can see, it's the very pigmented mask. Hindsight's kind of 2020. I probably shouldn't have mixed this in a ceramic white bowl, but in any case, I'm gonna just roll with this, because this is a first impressions, right? So just doing a wee bit more mixing here, and I'm gonna give this mask a shot. So the mask says itself that it's supposed to be an illumination mask. It's supposed to be for glowing skin. And since we're kind of now transitioning into spring after a really harsh winter, you know, your skin kind of has to readjust. So I'm hoping that with this mask, I can get some of that glow back, or at least have somewhat of a brighter complexion. Because I feel like this winter in particular kind of took its toll on my face a little bit. I do have some scarring and some acne marks and things like that, and you know, you just want a mask every now and then to kind of liven up your complexion. I don't really use masks as often as I would like, but I do try to use them every now and then to kind of give my skin kind of a jump start. So it's as good a time as any. So let me give this a shot. I'm just going to put aside my spoon. Alright, I'm just going to start to plunk this on, see how it is. So I might kind of dip in and out of the camera a little bit, but I will show you what it kind of looks like once I've finished applying it. So I'm just going to look dead on in the mirror in front of me and just try applying this straight to my face. Now, they did say on the instructions that your face should be a little bit moist. And I haven't really sprayed my face with some water. I don't know if I have any rose water or something I can quickly splash. You know what? Oh, this is really messy. First impressions, y'all. First impressions. Might just put a dab of water or so to kind of give this mask something to adhere to. I'm kind of doing this backwards. Okay, that's just gonna have to do. So this is very pigmented, so unfortunately I think this is gonna make quite a bit of mess. But it smells really nice, I'll give it that. It has a very earthy smell. Definitely you can smell, I think, what is it, the turmeric I'm smelling here? Yeah, I think it's this turmeric I'm definitely picking up on. But it's a very earthy smell, nothing too offensive. Just very natural and herbally like. Okay, so this is kind of a rough idea what the mask looks like on my face. Very yellow. It's going to be about 20 minutes. I have to leave this mask on, and then I have to rinse off with warm water. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more. This is a crazy angle that I'm working with this camera, and this is super messy. But in any case, I'm hoping it works well for me. Alrighty, so I'm going to go off camera for a little bit, let this kind of dry down and give it 20 minutes, and then I will come back, rinse it off, and then kind of give you my impression on what I think of the mask. So hopefully it actually does what it says it will do and give my skin a little bit more glow, but I guess we'll see. See you in a bit. Hey everyone, I'm back. So I'm just doing a little quick check-in before I go to rinse off my face. So it's been about 20 some odd minutes. I might give it a few more minutes just to settle in a bit more, but it's pretty settled now. It's very dry, and just by looking at my viewfinder, it actually looks really creepy dead on. Yeah, it's hardened up a bit. Hey yo. So you see a lot of the grains on my face. So as far as how it feels okay. It is grainy in texture. It dries down and it looks spooktastic. So it's not the most welcoming or pleasant sight. Yeah, it's not a good look, but it's okay. But it's not too drying on the face, because I've used you know, spa-like face mask treatments before. And if it's something that has a base of, say for example, activated charcoal, you will feel the mask just tighten on your skin, and it feels super uncomfortable. And it's like all the toxins are just sucking out. So while that's a great thing if you're going for a really deep cleanse and you want that treatment to really deep clean within your pores, that's one thing. But I don't really like putting on masks that feel super uncomfortable. So this one is... Hi everyone, I'm back. So I've just finished washing off the Belle Bar mask that I have been reviewing for first impressions. I have to say that it's a pretty nice mask. One of the first things I've noticed since I've washed it off is how soft my skin feels. So my face feels really baby smooth soft. So it definitely feels wonderful once you wash it off. So that is the first like thumbs up as far as the mask. As far as the brightening effects, do you know, like when you put on a really nice moisturizer or you put on a nice foundation or something and you feel that your face just looks really well rested and cool and just calm and nice? That's kind of the impression I have of my skin right now. I don't see like a ba-bam kind of massive in your face, pa-pow kind of glow, but I feel like my skin looks, you know, a little bit cooler, a little bit more rested. I wish I could have filmed this a little bit better, in the sense that I wish I gave you like a true before and after. But just looking at myself right now in the viewfinder, looking in the mirror, I just feel like my skin looks cooler. It just looks a little nicer. I tried to sit by my little window here just to kind of give some more light to my face so you can see a little bit better. But I know that my skin feels really soft. So it feels really soft to touch, which is great. My skin looks like think a little bit more calm and relaxed, but I still have, you know, the marks. I didn't expect that the mask would instantaneously make all the dark marks and all the acne scars just like disappear. I'm lucky in the sense that I don't have a ton of acne and I don't have a ton of scarring, but I know sometimes I'll get the occasional little cluster of breakouts, like a little bit on the side of the cheek, what have you, and you just kind of want a product just to kind of give you some boost back into your skin. So overall, it's a pretty positive experience. I definitely will continue to use the mask, see if it will continue to help brighten my face that much more, but I will say I'm going to give it a thumbs up as well for the Belle Bar Papaya Illumination Glow Mask, or whatever the title is, because it's a super long title. But it's a nice mask. First impression is it's a good one. But in any case, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that if you've been thinking about trying any Belle Bar products, this is giving you that extra little push to finally give it a go. In any case, I hope you all have a lovely weekend, lovely week, a lovely morning, a lovely evening, whatever time, whatever place that you're watching this. I hope that you'll have a good time, and I hope to see you in the next video. Okay, take care and bye.